If you're flying to the World Cup with kids, this is the packing hack that I wish I knew years ago. I have got to talk about the part of World Cup travel that nobody prepares you for. After spending what felt like a small fortune on the World Cup tickets, flights, the hotel, food, transportation, there was no way that I was gonna pay hundreds of more dollars just to check our bags. So I called my best friend, who's a flight attendant, and she immediately told me that I needed to try the Ekster travel pack vacuum kit. All you do is just pack everything in. Your jerseys, shirts, hoodies, whatever you're trying to squeeze into your suitcase. Then you zip it shut and you use this plain pump. The World Cup is already gonna be crowded, expensive, and chaotic. The last thing that I want to do is land with tired kids, wait at baggage claim forever, and then just pray that our bags actually made it. No, thank you. I just want to get off the plane, grab our carry-ons, and go.